It's Election Commission versus Rahul Gandhi, and the gloves are off. The leader of opposition on Friday took his tirade against the poll panel a notch up. Outside Parliament, Rahul Gandhi claimed that he has proof of what he called the vote theft by the Election Commission for the BJP, and that when he will release it, there will be an atomic explosion.
हमें मध्य प्रदेश में सस्पिशन था, लोकसभा में सस्पिशन था, महाराष्ट्र में वो थोड़ा आगे गया, डिटेल में गए। हमने कहा देखो अब इलेक्शन कमीशन तो मदद नहीं कर रहा है, तो थोड़ी ग्रैन्युलैरिटी में जाना है, गहराई में जाना है। तो हमने अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन करवाया, उसमें 6 महीने लगे। जो हमें मिला है एटम बॉम्ब है, फटेगा तो आप इलेक्शन कमीशन आपको दिखेगा नहीं हिंदुस्तान में।
Doling out a clear threat that the Congress will go after them.
इलेक्शन कमीशन में जो भी ये काम कर रहे हैं, राइट फ्रॉम द टॉप टू द बॉटम, आप एक बात याद रखिए, आपको हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं। कुछ भी हो जाए हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं आपको, क्योंकि आप हिंदुस्तान के खिलाफ काम कर रहे हो। ये ट्रीजन है और कम इससे कम नहीं है। आप कहीं भी हो, रिटायर्ड हो, कुछ भी हो, ठीक है, हम आपको ढूंढ के निकालेंगे।
The government hit back, saying that Rahul Gandhi is attacking the democracy.
राहुल गांधी जिस तरीके से भारत विरोधी भाषा बोलते हैं, उसका विरोध ऑपोजिशन पार्टी भी कर रहे हैं। ऑपोजिशन पार्टी के कई सीनियर सदस्य ने भी कहा है कि भारत के इकोनॉमी, भारत का छवि को इस तरीके से दबा के कोई बात नहीं कर सकता।
Later in the day, the Election Commission responded to Rahul Gandhi's threat. The poll panel said it ignores such baseless allegations. It added that despite the daily threats being given, we ask all election officials to ignore such irresponsible statements and work in a fair and transparent manner.
Well, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who's also the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, has once again intensified his attack against the Election Commission of India, this time making personal attacks at the CEC, Gyanesh Kumar. And he has said that even if these officials retire in near future, they will have to be punished and they have to pay a price for what they have allegedly done. He has taken them on, calling them, calling the act of SIR, the Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls, an act of vote loot or an act of betrayal. Now, the EC has said that everything that Rahul Gandhi is saying with regard to SIR is completely mythical and it's based on his own assumptions and lies. And the BJP has also accused him of trivializing the issue and undermining the autonomy of ECI. Rahul Gandhi is also all set to protest against the ongoing exercise in Karnataka on the 4th of August. And all of this comes on a day when the ECI has already published its draft electoral list and has shared it with all national parties.
The opposition and the poll panel have been at loggerheads over the issue of voter list revision in Bihar. The opposition, led by the Congress and RJD, have dubbed the exercise hasty and vote-bandi and has held protests in Parliament. The poll panel has now come out with a draft voter list after the SIR exercise and has circulated among the political parties, who have a month to raise objections. In the exercise, the voter list has been trimmed by 65 lakh votes, including those who have died or have shifted permanently out of the state. The SIR matter is also pending in the Supreme Court. NDTV Bureau Report.